It's from Hong Kong.
Oh. Okay. Customized Nike shoe.
Ooh.
Oh, look at the box. Then it comes with your. Wow, Nike by Ming. You are Ming, right?
My name is Ming. Yeah, Ming something.
So it's
behind.
customized by you. The sticker
I should
also.
put my real name then.
Wow. Sticker also customized. Wow. So this is your own design. Not to say your own design, but your.
I forgot to put my name here actually.
You can put lah.
Yeah.
If you want, you can put.
Yeah, I didn't put.
But it's okay. It looks good also. It's still Nike Air. What
Yeah.
model is this? Nike Air.
By Ming. Oh, this
Air
Air Force.
One. Okay.
This is Air Force.
This one cannot be changed. This is still Air Force One.
Yeah.
So these colors all is customizable by
Yeah.
you.
You can refer to our earlier YouTube how we do it.
Okay.
Yeah, you see the glue quite bad.
That's okay lah. You can just stick it out yourself.
But this one, the design, I never see properly. You know.
Why?
You see this one? What?
Oh, this the texture.
See this one?
Oh, it's different.
I'm supposed to get this one on, but I
You-
clicked wrongly. I never checked. but when I do for my friends,
Oh, correct.
they all get this
This
type.
texture. This a
Because
bit,
this
a bit,
is my
a
first
bit
one.
wrinkle one.
I like the wrinkle one.
Then here is all smooth.
Yeah, I'm supposed to get smooth all or wrinkle all.
Yeah, then
But
why
I
you?
never check. So you better check before you check out.
Yeah.
But it's
better
still nice.
check. It's still good. But
Still
you only
nice.
up close when you look at it, you see the difference.
Do you look like Gucci or not?
Yeah. Some
Wait.
some sort of Gucci. There's green here, red swoosh here. Wow.
Have the feel or not? It's like same company or
Oh,
not?
this is real Gucci, yeah?
Don't touch, it's dirty.
Okay.
See the feel? Same or not?
Ah, more or less the same. Red and green, yeah? The red and green
And white.
and the
And beige color, this just
and
should
the
be
orange.
This is gold, babe.
This is gold. This one doesn't have gold, so use the beige one.
This is yellow, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Let's take a look. It's made in Vietnam, but it's sent out from Hong Kong. Online is 455, but when you
The charge for my credit card
And
is
charge?
4-6 something.
46 something. Okay.
Maybe because of the exchange.
Okay.
Why you take picture?
Okay. Thanks for watching, and this is your Nike X Gucci.
It's not Gucci.